Hey Emna, have you ever felt like mornings are a survival battle?
Oh, yes. Every morning is a blockbuster action movie. Who will win, the alarm clock or the warm blanket?
And usually, the blanket wins gloriously.
Exactly. I often negotiate with the alarm like, just 5 more minutes. I promise to be a better person.
Then those 5 minutes multiply into a long 45 minutes.
That's right. By the time I jump up, my heart is pounding like a drum.
That feeling of waking up in panic, like forgetting to submit an important exam.
But actually, it's just forgetting to brush my teeth.
Oh man, I've left the house for 10 minutes before realizing I hadn't washed my face.
So I turn back, look in the mirror, and see myself like a zombie just risen from the grave.
Hair standing up like a bird's nest, eyes half closed like a sleepy kitten.
But strangely, the more rushed I am, the slower I move.
Exactly. When not in a hurry, I find the keys in 2 seconds. When late, the keys vanish into thin air.
I've suspected my house keys have legs and know how to hide.
They must go on vacation every morning.
Maybe they're teaching an advanced hide and seek class to other items.
So, what about breakfast?
Breakfast? That's a luxury dream for me.
For me, coffee is the spiritual breakfast savior.
Coffee is truly the savior for a weary soul.
Without coffee, I talk like someone who hasn't installed their brain yet.
I once greeted my boss with, "Good night, sir," in the morning.
How did the boss react?
He laughed. "Yeah, you go back to sleep and get some rest."
That's a critical hit to alertness.
What about evenings? Do you go to bed early?
Going to bed early only exists in plans. In reality, it's always late.
The familiar script. Say I'll sleep at 11, still scrolling on my phone at 1 a.m.
Watching short videos like, just one more, that's it.
And that last one drags on until dawn.
The phone is a professional sleep kidnapper.
It's full of energy while we're drained.
The next morning feels like a phone with only 1% battery.
A few steps and it shuts down right away.
Not to mention the household chores.
Oh, washing dishes, the eternal enemy of lazy humanity.
I often think, I'll do it in a bit.
And in a bit means tomorrow.
Eventually, the dishes pile up into a legendary Eiffel Tower.
We could charge admission for tourists.
But strangely, when guests come, the house is spotless, like a floor cleaner ad.
On regular days, it's like a chaotic crime scene.
Clothes on the chair, like they have their own life, roaming free.
The chair isn't for sitting anymore, but for hanging personal history.
Each shirt is a colorful, lazy memory.
I once found the TV remote under that pile of clothes.
Did you find it?
I found the sock that went missing last year, too.
A real archaeological excavation.
But no matter how messy, lying down at the end of the day feels strangely comforting.
Yeah, because it's your own territory.
Messy, but warm and familiar.
Everyday life isn't perfect.
But full of laughter and little joys.
And unforgettable, silly moments.
Like the two of us sitting here bad-mouthing ourselves.
At our usual coffee shop every weekend.
Drinking coffee and laughing hysterically like two crazies.
But crazy, in a truly happy way.
Hey, David, do you ever feel like Monday is a slap, waking you from a dream?
Not a slap, but a punch, straight to the soul.
Exactly. Sunday night still smiling, Monday morning face twisted like losing rations.
The alarm rings, and I think it's an emergency fire siren.
My brain says sleep more, but bills say get up now.
An internal battle fiercer than a blockbuster movie.
I go to work on Monday like heading to the gallows, slow and tragic.
But strangely, after 10 minutes at the office, I get used to it.
Yeah, humans adapt fast, like Wi-Fi catching a strong signal.
Speaking of Wi-Fi reminds me, the office network is like a daily character test.
Downloading a file gives time to brew coffee, read news, and ponder life.
And it's still not done. Patience, at its limit.
At that point, I just want to stare at the screen and sigh like a tragic movie character.
But work is always urgent, like the house is on fire.
The boss says, "This isn't urgent."
But the deadline is today.
Not urgent in boss language means do it immediately.
And take your time means hurry up.
Office language is an advanced subject, needs its own dictionary.
Maybe publish a guidebook.
Have you noticed? Company emails always start with, "Dear colleague,"
But the content is assigning heavy tasks.
dear but not light at all.
Some days, I read emails with my heart pounding like opening university exam results.
The scariest are emails to the whole department like gentle reminder everyone.
Gentle but hurts like a whip.
Even without names, intuition says, "That's you."
What about meetings?
Meetings are where time evaporates without a trace.
Enter a 30-minute meeting. Exit feeling 2 years older.
First 10 minutes explaining why we're meeting, next 20 repeating what everyone knows.
And the last 5 minutes get to the main point.
Then conclude, "Let's meet again next time."
An endless loop, no escape.
But admittedly, meetings are where you show professional nodding skills.
I nod so much my neck wants to detach.
Sometimes I nod too hard and almost nod off.
Jolt awake, thinking I just agreed to extra work.
And usually, that's exactly what happened.
Colleagues come in all flavors, like a box of assorted candies.
Some are always cheerful, like a soda ad.
Some have a heavy face every morning like they lost a lover.
Some start every question with, "Just a little help."
But a little is a massive project.
I once helped a little for 3 straight hours.
In the end, they thank you with a cute sticker.
Truly digital era colleague affection, brief and virtual.
But thanks to that, work is less boring.
Yeah, gives us stories to tell every weekend here.
Otherwise, office life would be so dry.
Even if tired, even if overwhelmed with pressure,
But there are unforgettable funny moments.
like when the whole department rushes a deadline like a zombie apocalypse movie.
Everyone hugging their laptops like life preservers.
Dark circles under eyes, but with unbreakable warrior spirit.
Finish the job and laugh like we just won a big battle.
Then complain. Next time, don't make it so rushed.
But next time, it's the same, unchanged.
The endless work loop, but we're used to it.
But with good coffee,
With friends accompanying,
and these weekend sits at the usual cafe.
everything becomes much lighter.
At least a place to vent stress and relax.
And laugh to forget all the fatigue.
Hey Emna, have you ever imagined what you'd do first if you won the lottery one day?
Me? The first thing is sleep in for 3 straight days.
Not buy a house or car?
After waking up. Being rich but still having to wake early would be sad.
Makes total sense. I'd quit my job within 5 minutes.
What for those 5 minutes?
To write a proper, polite resignation email.
Truly an educated person.
But in the email, my hands would shake from excitement.
Writing. I'm resigning permanently because I won the jackpot.
The boss would read it and think I'm under heavy stress.
Then call back. Are you okay, kid?
I'd reply, yes. Very okay. Extremely okay.
If really rich, life would change a lot.
Yeah. Coffee would be the largest size. No second thoughts.
No need to look at prices anymore. Totally comfortable.
But I'd still sit at this cafe.
Because it's familiar and cozy.
Right. Rich but not abandoning old habits.
Like they say, rich but still love instant noodles.
Late night instant noodles are eternal true love.
Eat it feeling delicious and a light regret.
But next time still eat, can't resist.
Humans are born to repeat delicious mistakes.
Do you dream of another job?
I once dreamed of owning a cute little coffee shop.
Oh, then free coffee every day as much as you want.
And hear all kinds of life stories from customers.
A coffee shop is truly the local news center.
From romantic love stories to neighbor's lost cat.
You'd know all the neighborhood secrets.
What do you dream of?
I dream of being famous.
For what?
So, everywhere I go, people invite me to eat for free.
A truly practical and delicious dream.
I live for food, no hiding it.
But if famous, you'd have to maintain an image.
Then it wouldn't suit. I eat like I've been starving for 3 days.
Fans would be so disappointed.
But at least it's real, not fake.
Have you ever imagined yourself old?
Yeah. I picture myself sitting on a park bench, feeding pigeons bread.
Then telling stories about how tough work was back in the day.
The kids would think I'm telling fantastical fairy tales.
Back then, we had to meet in person, face to face.
Not online through screens.
They'd widen their eyes. Why so miserable?
Life changes fast, as lightning.
But some things never change.
Like weekend coffee sits complaining cheerfully.
And laughing loudly about daily silly things.
When I think back, these moments are real gold.
No need for riches or fame.
Just someone to talk to who clicks.
Good hot coffee.
And ringing laughter.
Life like that is warm and meaningful enough.
Yeah. No matter how tiring the week.
Just sit here for a bit.
And all pressure dissolves like sugar in hot coffee.
Sounds poetic but true.
It really is.
So, next week here again?
Of course.
Still the usual coffee.
Still, the usual life stories.
But the laughter always fresh and joyful.